Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review about my pistol. Alright. Well, first off, I want to say, you can leave a comment in the video below if you want to see an airsoft fight with me and my friends. Alright. First off, we'll start with the mag itself, and then we'll get on to the gun itself. So, there'll be a little spring here that'll fling down and it'll fling back up, so you can reload your BBs and all. So for an example, I'll just get one BB. All you're gonna do was this is what I do. I always bring it down and then go sideways to the lock on. As you can see, it's right there. I'm just gonna spring. So when you put the BB in, it falls right down into the bottom. This is called 14 BBs. So when you're done reloading, you can push it over and the spring will fling back up. Now moving on to the gun itself. After you've done all that, you can lock it in there. It's safe. This is basically kind of an indestructible gun if you drop it so many times. So okay. Start from front and go to the back. So the orange tip, it's pretty good, decent inside. And right here we have your aiming, right here. Then you have your nice clear rail and the rail. You can put anything on it. I might buy a red dot sight. You guys might think it's a little faggy when I review it. And if you're wondering, what is this right here? You put, there's a little strap that goes on the right here. And then when you push it, it lights up, and the laser's supposed to come right here, and it lights up. So, okay. After you did all these things, there's side rails. Now, here's your aiming. It's your aiming sight, there. Here's cock back. Front. Safety. Now it's on safety. Now it's ready to fire. Okay. So if you're wondering what this button does, it slides out your magazine. As you see, I have a BB. And you lock it on here. If you have two magazines and you run out of this one, you can just grab it, place it in your pocket, grab out your other one, place it back in, cock it, and you're ready to fire. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.